What's up guys, Sneaker Buddha coming back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be taking a completely different route on my channel. I am actually going to be unboxing something that is not a sneaker. Because I order a lot online and I'm not always ordering just sneakers. I'm very picky with my collection and I'm just not out here ordering sneakers all day. So I thought I'd try something completely different. Try some unboxings that are not sneaker related, throw them in every once in a while. But this was actually sneaker related. I will still be doing sneakers, of course. However, for this one I'm actually going to review my purchase from Angelus Direct. As you guys can see, the box is already open. I'll explain that in a little bit. However, before I get into the video, I do have to give a shout out to Higher Society for throwing me this tee. This is actually part of the World is Yours collection. It says the world is yours on the back with a design on there. Check them out at highersociety.com. Society is actually spelled with 2 I's. Even reach out to them if you want to buy something. Reach out to them on their IG. They'll make sure everything is packaged perfectly for you and everything is delivered on time. I'll drop the links down below for their IG and their actual website. You guys can check out the products there and see what you like. They do have unisex clothing, so ladies, you guys can get something too. Back to this video. You guys can see I do have the PGs there. After the last video, we got 15 subs. Keep hitting that subscribe button. Once we get to 200, I will be giving these sneakers away. I showed you guys what they looked like on the last video. I showed you guys what they looked like on the review. They are the PG ones, the prototypes, the ones released before the first set. And there's only 12,000 of them. They're pretty cool shoes. They're my favorite PGs personally. I haven't rocked them. They're still dead stocked, so you guys can check that out. Like I said, you guys can see that the box is open already. Now to explain why it's open, I'm going to go ahead and tell you the things I did not like from ordering from Angelus Direct. You guys got to keep in mind the only reason I don't like these issues is because I live in Canada. If I lived in the States, I probably would not have any issues with it at all. First thing, customs. I have to pay customs for them to come in from the States to Canada. I understand that customs exist for a reason. I'm just saying it's stupid. I just think customs is stupid because we are neighbors. Canada, the US are literally right next to each other. At some borders we can actually walk across. So that's all I'm saying is I don't think they should be charging that. Of course I understand why they are, so let's not get political about it. I just think it's stupid. So that's why I actually opened up the box, because I want to make sure everything's there. If I have to pay the exchange rate and I got to pay the customs charge, I got to make sure everything's there. Alright, so the second thing I don't like about ordering from Angelus, and once again this is because I live in Canada, not everything was in here because some products cannot go over the border, because some products can't fly over the border because they're flammable and they won't ground ship them. There's no option for ground shipping. That's one thing I didn't like. So that was one thing I didn't like, and the product I actually wanted was called the leather deglazer. They took that out. They refunded me my money back, which is cool, but they took that out because it's flammable, so they couldn't get it into Canada. The leather deglazer is actually something that you really need to get the first layer off a sneaker. You could use things like acetone, but that's not good for the sneaker. So I had to buy a third-party deglazer on the side. Other than that, they do give you gifts when you order. Their customer service is great. They literally emailed me and talked to me through every product. They are the creme de la creme for sneaker paint. So they actually have everything you need to go ahead and start off customizing a sneaker. They have starter kits. They have everything you possibly need. I have no issues with the actual website. I think that's pretty cool. It's just the little bylaws that suck, right? I've always been pretty good at restoring sneakers. I'm completely unartistic, but I always wanted to try to customize my own sneakers. I'm gonna mess around with it and hopefully something nice comes out of it. The one thing that I know I messed up on is I just ordered colors I liked, and then I watched some more custom paints and I was like, man, I should have ordered colors I need. I should have ordered more whites and more blacks. That's one thing I should have done. But that's my mistake. I'm gonna learn. Those are things I have to deal with. But let me go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm gonna do the unboxing the same way I did the last one. Let's go ahead and take a look at these products before I actually go ahead and start painting my customs. If my customs are ever good, I will be putting them on the site. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now as you can see, they have a bunch of stuff. The gifts they give you, they're actually pretty cool. First thing they give you is a lanyard. Can't go wrong with that. If you have spare keys or anything like that. It's a nice cheap lanyard. Then they give you a drawstring bag. It says Angelus brand on it. Nice little drawstring bag. So as you guys know, my wall is covered in stickers. So they do give you the pink one. It says hot pink. You got her flexing. You see that? So this sticker won't be going on my wall. It's actually going on my computer. But I think it's a pretty cool sticker. So this is actually just a finisher. I'm pretending like I know what it does. Like I said, I have never painted a sneaker before. But this is actually a satin acrylic finisher. You put this on at the end, so I'm guessing so your paint looks professional. Then they give you a cleaner. It's an easy suede, leather, Buick, rubber, linen, Gore-Tex, nylon, satin, canvas, plastic, and vinyl cleaner. See how I just read all that off? Professional. Then they do give you a brush. The brush looks pretty cool though, I'll give them that. I don't know if I'm ever going to use the cleaner itself. Maybe if I run out of my cleaner, or use it on shoes I'm just going to restore. But they do have the Angelus handcrafted in the USA, which is why I had to get charged customs. Brush. The brush looks really nice. I actually like the handle of the brush, and I like the paint on it. That paint job is actually pretty cool. So they killed the brush. I'll give them that. Yeesh. That brush was nice. I got a glitter lights paint. So I actually ordered this to get a discount that they had. I needed like another $3.75. Maybe if I could get it customs, I could do something nice with it. Until I get some artistic skill though, let's not count on it. It's probably not gonna get open for a long time. I am gonna do this though. I'm telling you guys, I am gonna do this. I got black suede dye, which is already boxed up. Let's unbox this. Alright, so I'm gonna assume the black suede dye changes the color of suede if you have old busted up suede. See, like this scares me. This scares me. It's like some doctor instrument right here. So I'm guessing I dunk this in it and then I dab the suede. Just quick dabs maybe. Like that. I don't know. You know what I'm going to have to do? I am going to have to YouTube this to figure out how to do it. But I do have a lot of Vans that are black suede, and I do have a lot of Nikes that have black suede on them. Some Jordans with black suede. So if I ever ruin those, then that might be my chance to actually do this. There's a lot of fuzzies on that. I did order a starter kit. It comes with paintbrushes. Paintbrushes look pretty legit. And from the videos I watch, they all use these brushes. So I don't know if there's a difference between the brushes or not, but if they're in videos, that means they're legit, right? And then the acrylic finisher is actually part of this too. I know I grabbed that earlier, but that's actually part of this starter pack. And the starter pack also came with the necessary white and the necessary black, which you guys do not realize how many sneakers have white and black in them, because once I watched people like create stuff, white and black was probably the most used. And in my head, I'm like, yo, let's order colors like gold, purple, all this, right? But no, white and black are crucial. I could be lying also. I've never done it. And in that same starter kit, the third color you get is gift box blue. You could choose another color, but I was like, gift box blue sounds legit. Let's just get it. And then after that, I found out they actually use gift box blue a lot. So okay, so now here are all the colors I ordered. So here's acrylic leather paint. Let's get rid of that box. So here's some acrylic leather paint. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox these. See how they look legit though? Like, the setup looks pretty legit, right? The setup does look pretty legit. They got the acrylic paint, everything's set up in here. I'm actually gonna unbox these one by one. I got a violet, which I don't even know what I'll mix with. Blue turquoise, looks lit. Don't know if I'm ever gonna use it. Chili red. Once again, don't know when I'll use it, but I could see myself using a red. Metallic bronze. Metallic bronze. The reason I got this is I thought, yo, I don't know how to shade. I didn't put mixing colors in my head. Like I told you guys, I'm not artistic at all. The idea of mixing colors did not come to my mind one bit. So I was like, I'll get metallic bronze, because if I put that on yellow, I might be able to do a Goku or a Trunks, make him Super Saiyan. But then I remembered you can mix colors after I ordered this. So I'll have to see what I could do. But yeah, metallic bronze. Got a yellow, you know, same thing, Super Saiyan. Purple. I don't know why I got purple and violet. Once again, I messed up. Now the metallic pewter. Now the metallic pewter. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I probably butchered the pronunciation on this one, but it is what it is. I got this one because like I do have some ideas that I'm gonna need with silver. So I was like, fuck it, let's get that. Light gray. I don't know why I got both of those. Light gray and the metallic pewter. Whatever the fuck it was called. Avocado. I don't even like green. I actually don't like green. But I do like avocados. I couldn't think of a color. And then once I stopped ordering and started watching more videos, I was like, man, maybe I shouldn't have ordered these. And then another red. It's a real red this time though. It's not like a bright red or anything like that. It's just a red. So I think I'll have fun with this one. So check this out. I ordered a blue turquoise. You guys remember that one? Well, I also ordered a light blue, which is not far apart. And once again, I do not know why. Imagine I had those in a color spectrum. Organized in here in a color spectrum. I wouldn't even know how to do that. And then I got metallic silver. Just because gray and metallic pewter were not enough, I was like, let me get a metallic silver. I don't know what I was thinking. You guys could tell I've never done this before. But I do have enough black and white for me to learn from my mistakes. So that's fun. I'll last but not least, metallic silver. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I want to make one thing clear. I've had this question a few times on my Twitter. I did not paint these. A friend of mine painted those for me. I did not paint them. And clearly by my color choices, that can just validate it. However, I am gonna try some stuff. Hopefully my sneakers look good. If they do look good, I am posting them on this channel. Here are all the products I ordered. As you guys can see, got the PGs to my right, 200 subs. And I'll be giving away that pair of PGs. And remember guys, 180 subs, I will break the dead stock on these Jordan 11 Concords. I'll rock them. I'm not going to do anything crazy where I get them dirty or anything like that or scuff my shoes. Not a chance. But I will break the dead stock on them. I will wear them in the video. I'll try to find a fun way to break the dead stock. Maybe get one of my dogs involved. But like my actual dogs, not one of my friends. So we'll see what we'll do with that. But all you got to do, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button below. Just keep smashing the subscribe button. Tell your friends to subscribe. And actually in the comments, if you guys want, I want you guys to rate the color selection that I have here. Let me know what you guys would have done differently. And if you guys customize sneakers and have any tips for me, please let me know because I know I'm going to butcher this situation. So shout out to Example, example.ca. Don't forget to check Example out. Once again, guys, 200 subs, 180 subs. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Sneaker Boot out.